Today I will guide you through the steps to fix the GoDaddy message that says your browser is a bit unusual. First, we will start by clearing your cache and cookies. These are small files your browser saves to remember websites, but sometimes they cause errors. Open your browser settings. Look for the section called Privacy or Browsing Data. Choose the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you select Cache and Cookies. Then confirm the action. After that, close your browser completely and open it again. Now try opening GoDaddy to see if the message is gone. If the message is still showing, the next step is to disable all browser extensions. Many people use ad blockers or privacy tools, but these can sometimes conflict with GoDaddy. In your browser settings, open the Extensions or Add-on section. Turn off every extension you see. You do not need to delete them. Just switch them off for now. After that, refresh the GoDaddy page and see if the problem is fixed. The last step is to make sure JavaScript is enabled in your browser. GoDaddy needs JavaScript to load correctly. Go to your browser settings, then Privacy and Security, and find the Site Settings or Security section. Look for JavaScript and make sure that GoDaddy is allowed to use JavaScript. By following these steps one by one, the GoDaddy unusual browser message should go away. Thanks for watching.